You know that awkward moment when your stomach growls in a silent room? Yeah, your belly just dropped a mixtape. Surprise! That noise isn't just "I'm hungry," it's your gut doing housekeeping. Your body kicks off this cool cleaning cycle called the migrating motor complex, or MMC if you're cool. What you hear is just gas and fluids sloshing through your intestines like squeaky pipes at midnight. Wanna sound smart? It's called Borborygmi. Yeah, sounds like a spell from Harry Potter. Your stomach muscles are squeezing and moving like it's doing a workout, even with no food inside. When your stomach's empty, sounds echo louder, like yelling in an empty gym. And guess what? It happens even when you're not hungry. Your belly just feels like talking. Eating stops the sound for a bit, like giving your gut a shh snack. It actually gets louder the longer you haven't eaten. So yeah, your stomach's dramatic. So yeah, stomach growls are just your body's weird version of plumbing noises.
Borborygmi.
But hey, next time it happens, drop the word Borborygmi and sound like a science genius. Embrace it. That weird growl means your gut is doing its thing. Your body's not broken, just chatty.
Hey, Brain,
let it rumble.
Quiet day up there? Just processing the usual, stomach. You keeping things running smoothly down there?
Want to learn more weird stuff in 2 minutes? Hit that subscribe button before your stomach growls again.